exercise, I've got 3 pieces, a 16mm square, which is 5/8 at 5 inches long. I put a centre dot at 2 inches from the end. Now in this exercise, the idea is to form a chisel point with one, form a chisel point and then form an octagon with the second one, then with the third, chisel point, octagon, round. The reason I'm doing 3 is I can see my progression. This follows rather a lengthy lesson I had last week with my teacher, who was trying to find out where I kept going wrong. And he did in the end. Now whether I can actually put that into practice now, we're going to find out. The idea is to form a square point, followed by an octagonal point, followed by a round point. First job, find your centre mark. These are the problems I typically have here. I don't know if you can see, but that bends this way, that way, at the tip. It's not straight, it's not centred on the bar. And there's a bulge there, and a hollow there. And this should be even all the way. And I find this very difficult. go again. See, that edge is straight in relation to this original stock. The whole thing's bent this way. It's something I do all the time. Nope, still got a blooming bend in it there, look. What is that about? Transition point still hasn't got back to the centre dot. Centre dot's there, and there's my transition point. So I've got to do some more work now to get that back to here. That's the transition between the original stock and the taper. So more fun. Again. Let's take some quenching. Right, here we go. I don't think that's bad, to be honest. I think I've still got a bend there that way. Yeah. So, on to the second one. I've centre punch, right.